Hello there, this is Mahbub, and today's video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily translate a WordPress plugin using the Loco Translate. I'm going to show you step-by-step process to translate a plugin. So let's get started. First, you need to install the Loco Translate WordPress plugin into your website. So activate the plugin. The plugin activated, and you can see the options in here. From the options, select the plugins, and you can see all installed plugin list in here. I'm going to translate the premium BWL Advanced Pack Manager WordPress plugin. I'll put the link of that plugin in the description box. You can check that plugin from there. So next you have to click on this link, and there is no translation file available for this plugin. So let's create a new translation file. Click on the new language, and here's the important part that you need to remember, that you have to select the appropriate language for your translation file. I'm going to translate that plugin into Bengali language, so let's select Bengali, and you can see all the available options in here. I recommend to use this option. So you can see all the translated text in here. For the test purpose, I'm going to translate a text, for example this one, and this is the title of the plugin. You can press Ctrl S to save that text, or you can click on the save button. So if you refresh the page, you won't see any change in here, because we need to change the language settings from general page. So go to the general page, and from site language select Bengali, and we already see the update in here. So it's very easy. You can translate any of your plugin or theme using the same procedure. So the best part of this Loco Translate plugin that you won't need to install any additional software like PoEdit, but PoEdit is a really useful and convenient software. I have already created a video on PoEdit, so you can check that video. I'll put that video link in the description box. You can check that video from there. I hope that helps, and if this video seems useful to you, please consider to subscribing my channel.